Over the course of the last 2.5 weeks, Arizona has not only been represented by several great athletes and great stories, but also an elite group of firefighters, medical technicians, and other rescue personnel who came here for a job they pray they'll never have to complete.
We're coming down to get you. Hold on.
Imagine this is a dorm in the Olympic Village or a crowded hotel in downtown Salt Lake City, and the unthinkable has happened. A terrorist bomb has gone off, and people inside are trapped in the rubble. This elite group of Arizona firefighters and rescue personnel are used to sawing through concrete. They did it at the World Trade Center when they were called in for search and rescue. And now they're here praying these drills are the closest they'll come to a disaster at the Olympics.
And here, anything can happen. It can be a natural disaster, it can be a man-made disaster. It's just that if we anticipate it and we prepare for it, if something does occur, we can come together and take care of it.
You wouldn't be human if you didn't get nervous about some things and stuff. But we're professionals, and who do you call if we panic?
But here, Arizona's best are not only dealing with the threat of terrorism, they're also trying to come to grips with the cold.
We've had the best high-tech long underwear, coats, gloves. We brought up about 70,000 pounds of equipment, and probably a bunch of that was cold weather clothing and gear.
The Arizona unit that's here is considered among the best of the best, and although the work they're doing here and the training is deadly serious, there is a sense of competition and pride between the units.
It's a real special feeling to be part of the Salt Lake Olympic 2000 watch. I think each and every member is very proud to be from Phoenix, first of all, and then to be able to come here and support in the Olympic involvement.
And while they've enjoyed their experience, they're all ready to get back to some Arizona warmth.
It's kind of like a summer camp, boys camp environment here, but I don't think we're going to be sitting around the fireplace or the fire singing and being reminiscent when it's time to go. I think we'll be ready to go home.
So will I. Not only was this special group of Arizona firefighters called into service for the Olympics, one of only 6 groups in the nation, but they were also at the World Trade Center, as I mentioned, and Kent, you'll remember this, they were also on duty in Oklahoma City when we had the horrible tragedy there. So I think we can all be proud of these men and women. Guys, we'll toss it back to you and have more coming up in a couple of minutes.
All right. They're very good at what they do.